what they have. This is just a rendition. I'm going to try and do this. So, Sheila. Is she here?
Yeah. Which picture matches the meaning of the simile? After running around all day, Ken slept like a log.
That one is right. So this is IXL, and I'm showing everybody IXL, and oh shoot, well, I can just go back if I thought I would. I just upgraded your zombie strike gun. Now for much worse. Well, they can't see it. All they can see is the screen, but who really cares? Okay, so I wish you guys could see the new zombie strike gun upgrade that I made myself. You can show them on the video that we made. Language, there's recommendations, but first you have to do the diagnostic. Math, language arts, science, social studies, Spanish, and Common Core awards, and the analytics is, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, analyzing sticks or something like that, is where the parents check to see if our work is accurate. Something right there. And treble sport, stuff like that. Don't know what treble sports means, but okay. We finished 31 scales, and we got everything started. But it is a really good program. Okay, so we need to go back to learning. I am going to be doing science. I really like science. It's a really good thing. And if you like science, please comment to this video. And even if you don't, please still comment. I like to do infinite solids, liquids, and stuff like that. So it's already been 3 minutes. The last video, I was doing it on ABCYA. If you have not watched that video, please watch now, because after you're done with this video, because yes, and actually, it is on
and also
Screencast.
Share.
It's on Screencast on Media. So if you own Screencast on Media, you can watch it, but my mom couldn't really get it on TV. So yeah.
Soon we'll be able to figure out how to get it onto YouTube. So if you hear this and you're on YouTube now, well, we already figured out how to do that, but
we have our own YouTube channel. It's very good. The gun is locked and loaded.
And you can't even see, really, like, if you're from a far distance, you wouldn't be able to notice, because it's, like, colors of the gun. So it just looks like a regular bullet.
And it goes, and I, ow, 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 ow.
You know, that's irritating.
Select the gases.
The 3 gases.
1, 2. My sister's allergic to balloons.
Not the helium, though. The latex.
Yes.
Select the 3 solids: clay, fork, scarf. If you know the answer to this question, because I already know it, I'm just
if you breathe in helium, guess what? You make your voice sound like this. I didn't breathe in helium. I can just change my voice like this. So,
helium makes your voice sound odd, and
you don't even try.
Excuse me.
Select the 3 solids.
Popcorn. Pick the popcorn. Jump rope. Shorts.
How is caking batter not a solid?
Cake batter, not caking batter.
I said cake batter. Only when I hit this button.
Go down.
Did I touch it?
Go down more. Oh, this is funny. Go down more. Go down.
9.
Up. Then you don't know how to control yourself. Then I'll go down one.
I got it right.
Okay, now with me closing your eyes, select the liquids. Up. Move it to the side. Other side.
Wait, on this side.
No other. Okay,
Wait,
I got it. Here, I'll help you.
Okay, so.
That's.
I'm doing it, right? Am I doing it all right?
Select the gases. Hot air balloon. The coffee mug is not a glass. Flute.
How's a flute?
Air moving through a flute.
Wait, the 2? Wait, imagine ice being a gas.
It would be hilarious.
Select the liquid, wet oil, corn syrup,
Honey.
and sweet.
Ocean water. Sweat.
Yo, all of the bottle one. Ow.
And the best one, really. Sprinkles. Oh, like.
No, cookies with sprinkles, with frosting, with all that yummy stuff. Sugar.
With cake. Then cookies would rather have.
If you do that, I will literally leak your Facebook account.
Don't delete your Facebook account.
Yes, I will delete my own sister's Facebook account.
Yeah, and if you delete that, you lose all your points in your games, because that's how you get points in games.
No, not for me.
If you want to download many fun games. Oh wait, you don't like fun games.
Yes, I do.
And
I can still download
stuff. Property match this object.
What matches up?
Rough.
Yeah.
What? You're dumb. It's not stretchy.
I thought that's scratchy.
Ties fuzzy or colorful.
It's
Fuzzy colorful.
color fuzzle.
Puzzle.
How? It is. My ties are fluffy.
Which match objects.
How can glass bounce? Okay, maybe if it's shattered, it can. Ow! There is. Oh, I thought there was too stretchy. No, I can't let him go. I can't let him go.
I'm not gonna hurt him, I promise.
You're gonna hurt him. You never let me hold Kiwi.
You can hold Kiwi. I can hold this guy. And we can. Wait, they would be good friends.
No, they wouldn't.
They would.
He would probably eat her.
Kiwi can fly. He can't.
Yeah, but he's very tall. He's not.
No, he's the same size as Kiwi.
Well, then this guy can fly with his wings. No, this guy can fly with. He can do a handstand and then flap me super fast, and then he'd start flying.
They're eating the same food.
Well, then give him back. Give me Kiwi then.
Okay, we play together.
I can fly, bum bum bum
No,
bum bum.
Don't sing that song. She hates it.
Well, I guess kiwis can hang upside down.
No, Kiwi's gonna lose all of her air.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, kiwis lose their air when they hang upside down.
You don't know. She's going skydiving.
She's gonna fall. She's gonna fall. No.
She flew. Hello.
Land. She does not like flying.
But she can carry him. She likes flying if she's carrying him. So.
Okay.
Let him bite onto her tag.
Okay. He can grab her tag. Oh, let's read the tag.
No, let's go. I'm doing a handstand, but I'm flapping my wings.
I'm Kiwi. I like to eat the fruit. I look a lot. I lack a tail, but I'm still cute. She lacks a tail. She does not have a booty tail.
Hey, but I can still fly. See, I can flap these super fast. So I can also, if I stand upside down, I can go. You want to come on a fly with me?
This is fun. Wait, I need to get back used to the ground.
Hey, you can hold on to me.
I can fly myself.
Okay, just do an ultra jump like I can. See, ultra headstand jumps.
Okay, ultra beak.
Woo!
I tried to run it.
And then you start hanging upside down, and I'm like, no, Kiwi starts moving. And I'm like,
I couldn't breathe.
fly so high. I can fly so high. I can fly so high. Fly so high. I can fly.
Okay, salty. Fries are salty. Sapphires are flexible, blue, or soft.
Hey, I wish you could see this guy.
I'm just gonna answer the questions because
I can fly. Okay, so
okay, select the best answer. Sweet. They're not rough. They're not hard. It's not blue.
Bubblegum's not blue.
Select the best answer. Aquatic. Opaque. Yellow, sour, or translucent. If it said salty, then I would pick salty. Parachute. Scratchy, bumpy, flexible, sticky.
They're not actually that flexible.
They actually are.
No, my mom has been parachuting.
Stone statue, Armo. Slippery, flexible, opaque, yellow.
What does opaque mean?
Not translucent. It means this is opaque, then glass is translucent.
That's transparent.
Nope.
Transparent.
Oh yeah, light goes through transparent things, translucent things, and does not
But
come
that
out.
light is translucent. The light is shining through it, but it's not.
We can't see through it.
Yeah.
Then transparent is glass, or something like that.
Translucent is
Colorful.
also stained glass is translucent.
I don't know.
Shine as high as you can. Wait, how can it shine high? Huh? Let's see how much of this hurts. The wall. That did nothing. Don't you dare stab me because I have that awesome bullet and I can give it to you. It's over there. But I know